Hello students, welcome again. So here we completed all the base conversion of any number system. So our topic is mainly dealing with binary numbers because any digital system, say for example our computers, can only deal with binary numbers, that is zeros and ones. So here one more important topic I am going to deal today, that is representation of signed binary. Before I deal with representation of signed binary numbers, let me introduce something about what is signed numbers and what is unsigned numbers. As you know, if any number, say for example, if I written 25, so this is unsigned number. Okay, yes, obviously it is an integer, but it is an unsigned number because it does not have any sign before this. Am I right? Although we treat this 25 as a positive, correct? We treat this as a positive because by default we know that any number which is represented directly without any sign, that is treated as a positive number, correct? So if I write any again the same number, that is 25, that is if I put minus sign in front of this, that is minus 25, so this is known as signed, correct, signed number or signed integer number. Yes, so this is all about what is signed and what is unsigned numbers. Here in day to day life or in general mathematics, we used to say that the number can be represented with these particular signs, that is plus and minus. We can also write the 25 as plus 25, correct? Also we can write minus 25. Like this, any number can be represented in the signs, that is positive or negative, maybe plus 6, minus 6, plus 7, minus 7, whatever. Like this we are going to represent a numbers with their signs. These are the signs, correct? So this kind of number is known as signed numbers. Then in case of the computer system, it it is not going to understand directly the integer values, correct, because it converts any number into its equivalent binary number, correct. Though it is 25 and all, it will convert in the form of zeros and ones. Then how to understand the signed or negative numbers in the computer system in the form of binary? That is our topic here, that is known as representation of signed binary numbers. I hope this is clear to you, what is signed number and what is unsigned number. Now let us discuss about number system in a binary, that is signed binary and unsigned binary number. Whatever we discussed in the previous sections, like 10101, we converted this number into its equivalent octal, decimal and so on. These all discussed before all are known as unsigned binary number. Okay, I hope you are getting my words. Unsigned number. Then how to represent any binary number in the form of signed binary number? This is all our discussion, that we can write any binary number in the form of unsigned or signed number. So I write one chart right here, that is binary number. Okay, if you want you can note it down, binary number representation. You can also write like representation of binary numbers. There are two types to represent any binary number, that is unsigned representation. Okay, I write here unsigned representation. Okay, you write it neatly. I am writing like this, unsigned representation. And one more is, that is signed representation. I hope you are getting. And already we discussed what is unsigned and signed in the general way, correct, but here I am writing in the case of binary number representation, unsigned binary number and signed binary number. In this signed representation, again we can represent any binary number system in the signed representation. Again we have three kind of representations are there. That is, first one is we can call sign magnitude form. Remember this. First one is known as sign magnitude form. Okay, and the next one is one's complement form. One's complement. Okay, one's complement form. Okay, and other is two's complement form. These are the three ways to represent any binary number in the signed case. Okay, two's complement form. Okay, now what is this sign magnitude form? Here the sign magnitude form I'll write here and we'll discuss about. Okay, let me discuss about sign magnitude, okay, form. Then what I can tell about sign magnitude form here? Sign magnitude form, in this form a binary number has a bit or sign symbol. Say for example, if I take the previous example like plus 6, here to make 6 as a signed number I written symbol as plus. Am I right? Correct? Or also for minus 6 also I written the symbol like minus to make it a signed number. Correct? In the binary format, to represent any sign like either positive or negative, we have to represent it with the help of digit. Remember this, digit. And what digits for what sign? That is the concept right here. Here in the sign magnitude form, 0 represents, okay, 0 represents positive, 0 represents positive number, and 1 represents, okay, 1 means negative number. That is how we are going to represent here. Then how we can understand 0 means positive and 1 means negative in the binary total number? There to understand this you should know something about LSB, okay, and MSB. Then okay, then what is this MSB and LSB? Say for example, if the binary number is like this, okay, 1010, okay, this is the binary number right now. So this number is known as LSB, that is least significant bit. It is called as least significant bit. Okay, at the same time this digit represents MSB. MSB means most significant bit. Okay, this is all about MSB and LSB. Okay, this is, it means that the rightmost digit represents LSB, leftmost digit represents MSB. Okay, now we'll come to this. 0 represents positive, 1 represents negative. How we can write binary number in the form of positive or negative? I will show you right now. Say for example, if the number in the decimal I can take 6, okay, I want to write this decimal 6 in the form of binary with the help of take some bits like 6 bits. I want to write this 6 in the form of 6 bits. That is, I will write that B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, P6. Okay, these are the numbers now. How many bits are there? B1, B2, B3 all represents individual bits. Okay, I want to write 6 in 6 bits. That is, you already know how to write a binary number equivalent of this decimal. That is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and all. I won't write this last bit because I will tell you why I left this. Okay, to make 6, what I need to write? Here 1, here 1, rest of the bits are 0. Right? 0. I written this, only I used 5 bits, correct? I left 1 bit. This MSB is used for writing the sign. MS3 is used for writing the sign. Say for example 6 is positive, then write here 0. Okay, this number represents plus 6. Okay, if number is minus 6, then write here 1 and rest of the thing is same 0 0 1 1 0. This is known as signed binary numbers. It is called as also signed binary numbers in the form of sign magnitude. We can call it as sign magnitude form. What is magnitude here? Here, why we are calling this as a sign magnitude form? Because say this 6 is written like this 0 0 0 1 1 0, correct? The first digit represents, means this most significant bit represents sign of the number. The rest of the bits represents, this is known as magnitude. These all represents magnitude of the number. That is why we are calling this kind of number system, which is known as sign magnitude form. I hope this is clear to you, how to represent any number in the form of negative or positive. And remember that 0 means what? Positive. 1 means what? Negative. And these should be present in the most significant bit. That kind of number is known as sign magnitude form. Okay. And let me discuss about one more form, which is ones complement. Okay, ones complement. And also I write here twos complement. And what is this ones complement and twos complement right here? Directly I would like to explain this ones and twos complement with the help of example. That is, say again I will take 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, this is the given number. Say this is a given number. The ones complement in the sense, here we need to invert the digit. Invert means what? Change all zeros by 1 and all ones by 0. This is how we can write ones complement. Then what it becomes now? See, if I write this number as 1 means I can write 0, 0 means 1, here 1 1 is there, I write 0 and 0, 0 becomes 1. Yes, this is a ones complement. This is a one complement of a given number, that is this is a ones complement of this number. Okay, I will explain how it actually this ones complement can be used to represent a negative number also. We'll deal with in the next class, while we are discussing about arithmetic operation like addition and subtraction. Okay. So let's discuss about twos complement. Twos complement is nothing but it is first we need to take ones complement of a given number, and add one to complemented number. Add 1 to it. Okay, what is that? Say for if I take the same example that 1 0 1 1 0. First we need to make this number into ones complement, that is 0 1 0 0 1, and add 1 to it, that is plus 1. Add this, we will get 1 1 means what? 1 plus 1. What it means? 1 plus 1 is actually 2. But binary 2 how we can write? 2 can be written as 1 0, right? 1 0 means 2. So I write 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 1 0. Okay, this is 1 0. 2 means 1 0, right? 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 same, 1 same, and lastly 0. And what we told, this number whatever we obtained right here, this is known as twos complement of a given number. Twos complement of given number. This is how we can understand ones complement and twos complement, at the same time signed magnitude form. You understand this? Okay, I'll give some examples to you. You can write very simple examples. Okay, write plus 8 and minus 8 in the form of sign magnitude form with the help of 8 bits. You use 8 bits. Okay, I am giving to you plus 7 and minus 7 with the sign magnitude form. Okay, with 6 bits. This is a work to you, and make this 1 1 1 1 1. Convert this into ones complement and twos complement. Okay, 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Convert this into ones and twos complement. Okay, this is your work. Okay, I hope this is clear to you what is signed and how to represent binary number in the form of other signs also. Thank you.